To get the most out of your late model Broncos off-road performance, consider updating that lackluster factory suspension with high-quality billet components from ADS. Arizona Desert Shocks knows a thing or two about off-road racing, and we have the direct fit suspension components to put your 2021 and up Ford Broncos off-road performance over the top. Designed to fit four-wheel drive, late model Ford Broncos with lifts up to 4 inches, our true bolt-on upgrades are just the ticket to make your 2- or 4-door Ford Bronco stand out. ADS front upper control arms are CNC machined from 6061 billet aluminum. Features like a robust 1¼ inch hardened steel uniball provide enhanced strength and articulation to the front control arm. And machined copolymer bushings help reduce deflection and provide stability across rugged landscapes. The O-ring sealed uniball dust cover and grade 8 hardware will keep you going for years to come. ADS rear control arms are also fully CNC machined from 6061 aluminum and allow you to adjust the wheelbase and pinion angles. We've installed high durometer poly bushings to reduce deflection, while oversized 1¼ inch heim joints are used for increased strength and articulation angles. ADS control arms provide unparalleled strength and articulation for your off-road adventures. Both our front and rear control arms get wrapped in a sleek black anodized finish with laser engraved ADS logo before we clear powder coat them for UV resistance. Don't forget to keep the rest of your suspension in correct geometry with an ADS adjustable panhard bar. Engineered from rugged 1/4 inch wall tubing, our 1¼ inch panhard bar provides durability and versatility for even the most challenging terrains. A premium heim joint and machined copolymer bushings offer precise suspension tuning to keep your axles centered after changes to the ride height. With any lift kit, upgrades are a must, and a set of our fully adjustable heavy-duty sway bar links are the perfect replacement for those undersized stock links. And while you're at it, install a pair of our ADS half-link tie rod ends. Designed for lifted applications, they help control bump steer and provide a greater range of adjustability for your Bronco. Adding a set of our direct fit race shocks will add the icing on the cake. Crafted from high-grade materials, ADS race shocks are built to withstand the most extreme conditions, providing you the stability and control to conquer even the toughest terrains. Vehicle-specific spring rates maintain your vehicle's balance and ride characteristics, while the increased suspension travel allows clearance for larger wheels and tires. And best of all, ADS race shocks are machined and assembled right here in the USA. So whether you're a seasoned racer or just starting out, bolt-on suspension components from ADS are the perfect choice for enhancing your vehicle's off-road experience. To learn more about our full line of suspension components and race shocks, visit us at adsshocks.com.